Hey everyone, my name is Jude Weir, and today on Common Food Reviews, I'm going to be reviewing the limited edition Major Melon flavor of Mountain Dew. Dew charged with watermelon. Now I've had some of this and haven't had any at all yet, so I'm just going to crack it open. Okay, so right off the bat, I give it a 10 out of 10. The flavor, while not too melony, still gives the melon flavor. Now I got a 12 pack of this. I'm gonna be enjoying this. I gotta say, the aftertaste is bad. I gotta say that. Aftertaste is not good. But that's it for Common Food Reviews. If you like what you're looking at, hit subscribe. That'll be all. Go subscribe to my good pal Zeke. I would leave the link in the subscription, but it takes 18 minutes, so scavenger hunt. Have a good day.